It's no secret that insurance companies want to bully people and their lawyer, even the lawyers who represent them, into taking smaller amounts or even just going away. I was just talking to a good friend of mine who is a well-respected lawyer, has been practicing for a very long time, and he represents somebody who was injured in a car crash by a drunk person. And by drunk, we're talking over zero point 0.1 blood alcohol. I mean, this person was really drunk, should never have been on the road. Crashes into my friend's client, causing serious injuries, and the insurance company, which is one of the more notorious ones for using these tactics, was trying to lowball this attorney and strong arm him. Remember, like I said, this guy has been practicing for a long time, well respected, and when he was explaining, hey, this is an open and shut. Your insured was driving around drunk, shouldn't have been, was arrested on the scene, crashed into at least 2 other people and some concrete, and the insurance adjuster had the nerve to say, you don't know what you're talking about. So I tell the story because this is the reality of getting in a car crash. Very rarely are insurance companies going to go, you're right, here you go, we're going to pay you what is fair and what you deserve. More to the point, insurance companies also look at this as some kind of game, right? Can we get them to take as little as possible and take the handouts? Now, in this situation, if you're wondering, well, what do you do if an insurance company isn't going to pay what we all know they should pay? And the answer is filing a lawsuit. And we can get into a lot more about what goes into filing a lawsuit. From my experience, as a lawyer, it's what I do every day. It's a lot. For me, it's a little bit more fun than it is for others. And for some people, it's a lot to go through. But bear in mind that the insurance company is forcing people to have to file these lawsuits and drag people to court. And really, also, it's not good for the people they insure. Even though, look, this person was drunk and should never have been behind the wheel, the insurance company is, letting a jury decide how they feel about it instead of doing what they should do in the first place. And that's ultimately going to hurt the person who pays them their premiums every month. So bottom line, insurance companies use the bullying tactics, not just on people without lawyers, but when they use them with lawyers. Fortunately for us, we have a little bit more tools in our toolbox and more weapons in the arsenal to go after these insurance companies. And it's what we like to do. So just remember, even a DWI crash with some really bad facts, insurance companies are going to try to do whatever they can to, not take the responsibility they should.